Alright, I'm using my horse butt ornament pattern, and I made it in a rainbow ombre yarn for a unicorn. And I'm going to show you how to do curly hair for your unicorn. You just split these. I made them a little bit longer than the instructions said, and I'm going to trim them later on. And I just take a needle, a yarn needle, and I split them. And just pull them apart so that each one is separate. There's 4 plies in the worsted yarn. So you're going to separate all 4 plies, and they're going to want to curl back upon themselves. But you just keep going. It's a little bit tedious, a little bit time consuming, but the effect is well worth it. Because you take this one piece of yarn and you're separating into 4. And it is so pretty. When it's completed, you have this nice, beautiful curl. And you just separate them like that for each one. And there you have your beautiful tail for the unicorn. You can trim it if you'd like. Personally, I like it to be wild and free. But if you want, you can trim it down right here. You can put a ribbon, however you would like your unicorn to look. But that's how simple the curly tail is.